In this video I'll show you how you can prepare a global or a sub-account to be able to run Figaf tool. You can either have gone through the Discovery Center, created a free tier account, or if you have an account with SAP, you can go to your global account. And this no matter what you're using. If you have used a trial, it should be a little easier because then you already would have a sub account. But we create a new sub account. Figaf Azure. You select the region. We have found that Azure works pretty well with some of these different things. And obviously not select production. And we select create here. And then it will create this account, and this can take a little while, so I'll just pause. So now the account is created. We can open this then. We'll need to enable Cloud Foundry. Select a plan here. I think it has the standard one, and I understand here. Oh, maybe one thing you probably need to do before here is go to entitlements and configure entitlements. Here you select add service plan, and here you select Postgres hyperscale option. We would need to select the standard, and we would need to have the storage. So we need to have a standard that can run this data. And I think this is a bit strange that in AWS regions and storage, if we have it in Azure. Anyway, we will add this. And then the next one we need to have is runtime. Here we need to have the Cloud Foundry runtime that we need to enable. So we add this one and we press save. So now we have the option to run these applications. And this will take a little while for it to work. Then we go here to the instances or the overview. Here we can now enable the Cloud Foundry. We select the free plan or the standard one. We'll just click the free plan. You may need to go back and forth between the one that works and figure out which one will work best for your specific case. And you can see some of the limiters here are 20 apps, etc. Then you will go to instances and subscription. Oh, you can see here we have the spaces here. We will need to create a new space that is normally just called dev space. And in here we can go in and we can add different members of our team. And this is really useful if there's different team members that will need to manage this installation. So you just add them as in Figaf.com. I think developer support should be okay. And now that info account can go and do modifications to it. If you have not added this, they will not be able to manage these configurations. We go to instances. Here we select create. In our script to create the database, so if we go to how to deploy in BTP, we do have a script here that enables you to create the database using a JSON format, but this seems to be changing quite a bit, so it is easiest just to go here, select the plan we have, select the space, and create the name here, instance DB. You select the version, memory, you can deselect the multi-zone and select go, and then it will create this. And obviously this is different depending on what are the different hyperscaler you are deploying this scenario on. But this should get you going. Now you do have the option to run the other BTP commands here to start deploying the Figaf tool to the specific instance, adding users, with these different roles and start up the applications. I hope this has been useful and you can use this guide. Thank you.